In this video, I'll talk about how to get an overview of the population and also to use the numeric densities plot to get a sense of what attributes vary by price. First, I have made the population smaller. I've created a data set that is just the single family homes that are up to $300,000. If we look at this in our summary statistics, within this price range we have bathrooms up from 1 to 5, bedrooms from 1 to 8, a variety of days on the market, features, which is things like are they on a cul-de-sac, do they have a den, those are from 0 to 4. We have our latitude and longitude, the lot sizes ranging from almost a non-existent lot up to a 20-acre lot in this price range. And then we have price ranging from about 60,000 up to about 300,000, and the square feet from the very small to the roughly 6,000 in the year built. And then we have neighborhoods. These are neighborhoods that tend to be higher priced and lower priced and so forth. So there's a lot of diversity in here, even within this up to $300,000 price range. And if we're able to break this down to subpopulations, it should be helpful. So first, I'm going to see how much error there is in a multiple linear regression. You can see that there is about 30,000. I'm going to try to do better than that by breaking this down. There's a variety of things I could do to break this down. One thing I could do is I can look at a numeric densities plot and center this on price. So what I'm doing is setting it so that it will be sensitive to price and show things relative to price. So this dimension shows you things that are below the average price, and the orange and red saturation are higher than average price. And then by putting my cursor up here and using my down arrow key or scrolling through with my mouse, it will take me through a variety of things. So for one thing, more bedrooms are associated with higher priced homes. More bathrooms are as well. In fact, this saturation is pretty great. There's not that many that have 5 bathrooms, but those that do are higher, and those that have 4 bathrooms are higher as well. And those that have 1 bathroom are the least expensive homes. Perhaps not that surprising. We see a similar thing on bedrooms. We can look at other things like features. A home that is on a cul-de-sac, has a den, has a living room, and a laundry room. All 4 of those are the most expensive homes. That's another clue. If we look at the lots, and I kind of move this a little bit so you can see it a little bit better, most of the lots are normal building lots. They're at about 1/4 of an acre, and if I mouse over this, you can see that big thing is up to about 0.21, and then we have lots 0.41, and as we move up here into the higher lots, there's a 5-acre lot, there's a 20-acre lot. Things do tend to be more expensive on larger lots. Again, it's not surprising, but it's good to be able to see it visually. We can see the distribution of price. The mean price in this population is a little under $200,000, and homes that are higher, obviously, are going to be higher price. So this is sort of self-defining because I'm looking at price and looking at the density on price. But so one option would just be to say, look, I'm just going to take homes based on price, and I'll break these down into from 0 to $100,000, from $100,000 to $200,000, and so forth, and we could do that. And that would be a reasonable thing to do. So let's go look at what else we have. Square feet, as is expected, the larger the square feet, the more expensive the home, and so that's another option that we could break things up to in terms of square feet. We have our year built. It looks like in general the newer homes are more expensive, and then finally we have those homes in zip codes that here's the high zip code area prices, the low zip code areas, and then sort of like the median. So that's a quick overview by using the numeric density plot to be able to look and see what types of features have the highest prices, and it is a useful way to do it. So I could break up on home size, I could break up on the number of features, I could break up on the number of bathrooms, and those probably all would give me and the lots, and those would probably also give me populations that would be useful. I'm going to take a fairly simple approach and just segment in terms of the price of the home based on my domain knowledge that homes that are less expensive, there's going to tend to be kind of a group of attributes. They'll be smaller in size, They'll be have less bathrooms, less bedrooms, smaller lot sizes, a variety of things that are going to go together with a less expensive home. So I used my domain knowledge to, non-remarkable domain knowledge, to go ahead and make some sort of initial ideas of what to do.